What's up, Goon Squad? Starting off the day, look what we got back there. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the tires. Let's go pick them up. Hopefully they give us the right package. Goon Squad. We're waiting on the guy, he's about to bring him out. So we actually had to come to the freight facility because I guess it's a large package, so they sent us here instead. So let's get them tires. Yes, sir. Got them Decals, them MTRs. Let's go put them on the wheels. Got the first one finished, mounted and balanced. Man, it's looking great, man. This thing's gonna look like some beef stew. Got the Kevlar wall. We'll do a little bit more talking about them when we get home. The worst is gonna be a spare, and then it goes on. The fronts are gonna be the best that balance out, and then the rear is gonna be decent. Number 5. Got them all loaded up. Now let's head to the house. Back at the house here. What's going on? So we got to move this Jeep, pull the Rubicon, the blue Rubicon out, and we also got the rear fenders in. So we're gonna put on the rear fenders before we throw on them wheels, because I think it's just the right thing to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We gotta go get a new knife, man. We do. But here's a package of the rear Smitty-built fender flares for a TJ this time. Yep, that's them. You can automatically tell they're a little bit more longer on the top, so yeah. Let's go ahead and slap them on. About to install this other side, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and unload these wheels and tires. We have it, all 5 lined up, about to get thrown on after we put this fender on. Alright folks, we had to take out the inner fender because it is a lot easier to screw the nuts in from the rear under there because it's kind of hard to get to. So we got both flares on, they're looking great. Looking great. We got another package that we just received we got to open up. We're about to see what that is. And now we're just installing the inner fender and then we're on to the package. Alright, now what do we have here?
Just something that we were missing in the front of the Jeep. They just now came in.
What? Very nice. And some bump stops.
I don't know how we're going to get them on. We're going to have to flex that suspension out.
So we're about to wash it down and then we're going to throw the wheels on it. Let's do a little walk around before we swap these wheels out. So we just got it cleaned up. We're about to back it up and throw the new wheels on it. But before we do anything, we probably want to peel these off to get us a little bit more flex. What do you guys say? It's about time. All right, so we're gonna start with a spare because we do gotta adjust this little bracket here, which slides in and out. And when we put that up, we'll know where to adjust it. And we're also trying to determine which one is the most out of whack on the balancing. And we're gonna throw that on the spare. And the ones that are the best,
these are probably going to be on the front.
The ones that have the least amount of weights on them are going to go on the front,
yeah.
And then so on and so forth, moving backwards. So The front always needs to have the best.
Oh, this one's a spare.
Yeah, that one has a ton of weights on it.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Yeah, we're throwing it on. What am I doing? Dang, that thing looks great. Let's back it up and let's throw on the rest of them. We're gonna start with the rear end here. We're gonna change both the rear wheels, and then we'll move on to the front. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh dang, and it's gonna show that freaking 10 factory. That's awesome, dude.
Give me my lug nuts over there.
There you go. This is gonna change the whole outlook of this Jeep. What are we gonna do with these? Throw them on the Sahara?
Maybe.
Get on.
I want to kind of spray paint here.
Yeah, take that off and paint it black. Before we throw that on, we can touch that up with a little bit of black paint. There you have it, guys. Man, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous, man. It's looking awesome, dude. I love it. Just transformed the look of it. Completely looks more aggressive. Alright guys, so we're done with the Rubicon for now. We just pulled up the Sahara. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, the inside, get rid of all that trash, and do some final touches, possibly give it a wash, throw the decals on it. So we got this interior just vacuumed out, pretty dang clean. Now we're just gonna wash off this pollen. We're not gonna put the top on it, but we're just gonna wash
It don't matter if the interior gets a little wet.
Right,
it's a Jeep.
But all that pollen's gotta go. Now it's time for the decals. And now for the Sahara edition decal, which looks awesome, dude. I think it's gonna look great. I love how this looks, like a little palm tree.
Is this on vacation?
Huh?
Is that on vacation?
Yeah, that palm tree is for vacation. You're on a vacation when you own a Jeep.
Oh yeah, I remember we went to the beach. It was a long, long, long ride.
You're cool. Got that side done. Now, on to the Wrangler stickers. Yeah, I'd say they look good right there.
Yeah.
Definitely. That looks clean right there. And to this side. Alright, so we just threw the hard top on the Sahara, man. It's looking great. So what's left of this Jeep? What do you say? What's left of this Jeep?
Painting the frame, painting the wheels, and
the glass.
And the glass. Putting the glass in, and that's it.
We got the glass in. We just got to go to the junkyard, get a seal because we couldn't find one online. So we got to get that, and then we're going to windshield glue it in. And that should be pretty easy for the most part, but decals are on it, man. This thing is just looking spick and span.
Oh yeah.
All we need to do is paint them rims, or we may even throw the Rubicon rims on there. We don't know yet.
It just depends on what we
out here. Alright guys, another great day here. We had a lot done today.
We got the wheels and tires on the Rubicon. It's looking great. It looks like a totally different Jeep. It looks really good.
And we cleaned up the Sahara. We put the hard top on it, man. We just wanted to see what it looks like. It looks great. We still got to put the glass in it. We put the decals on it, which made it just pop. You know, it was just missing that one thing. So we threw it together, and it just made it pop, and it looks great.
So we had to pick up our tires this morning. It took like 2 trips to 2 different FedExes because it actually had to be delivered by FedEx Freight. It took like 30 minutes to get our tires. We went to a tire shop and we had them mounted and balanced, and we helped a little bit there, so that took a little bit of time too.
So as you guys can see, we got a lot of progress done today. You can see the Jeeps transformed pretty much. They look 100 times better now, and we're happy with the results.
So guys, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and hit that post notifications button.
Also, be sure to check out goonsquad.com, cop you a decal, cop you a shirt. We are out of hats currently, but we will have some soon, so be sure to stay tuned and check out the website. Also guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram at goonsquad to get the inside scoop of something before YouTube.
If you want to support us, check out the links down below. We would greatly appreciate it.
So stay tuned guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Peace!